Okay, this is Tate. I'm going to be doing my health assignment. I will be using Minecraft. Here's my guy. He's not very healthy. He's smoking. So we will be talking about the different dangers and of smoking, and yeah, all of the dangers of smoking, doing drugs, and alcohol. So before we even get inside of him, we have smoking causes cancer, mouth cancer, facial cancers, and neck cancers, which can lead not looking very good. So and then smoking can turn your teeth yellow. Just doesn't look very good. It also causes cancerous ulcers, which these hurt, and also you have to get them surgically removed, and because they become cancerous. Inside the lungs, it does lots of damage. It fills the lungs with carbon monoxide. So the lungs work by sending out once we get oxygen in them, they put oxygen in the blood. So this little passageway is a blood vessel getting stuff from inside here. But what happens with drugs is they kind of coat the vessels with this black tar so the blood can't get the messages. They also use carbon monoxide, so even if it can get the air isn't oxygen, it's carbon monoxide. So drugs can cause lots of different cancers. And then on to alcohol. So alcohol is also a pretty bad thing that you don't want to be doing, and drugs also do. So most of the stronger types of alcohol are basically scald the inside of your throat, and yes, they burn the inside of your throat, and they mess up your throat. They cause cancerous ulcers inside your larynx, and which basically means they burn holes inside your larynx. And when this alcohol gets inside your stomach, it will basically burn away the soft tissue of your stomach and make holes in your stomach, which can be very painful. So after the alcohol and also the drugs go out of your stomach, they pass into the small intestine. The small intestine is where the blood vessels pick up their nutrients to bring to the rest of the body. Alcohol again will cause holes in your small intestine. So then the alcohol passes into the blood. So it passes through the heart, and the heart can kind of like die or get very worn out because of this, because it has to work extra hard. The blood is pumped full of carbon monoxide, so it has to pump more blood to get enough oxygen to everywhere, and it has to work harder when you're doing cigarettes. So this is the liver. It processes all of the alcohol and stuff. The alcohol can really mess up the liver. It can cause liver diseases such as cancer, liver cancer. It can cirrhosis, many diseases. So the heart also pumps blood to the brain. The brain receives the alcohol. So the alcohol, cigarettes, and drugs all mess up the brain. They change it. But a lot of the drugs can actually do damage to the brain. They basically just cut giant holes in it. And, like, who wants this to happen to their brain? Yeah. So That's why you shouldn't do drugs. And that is the end of my presentation.